In this video, I will show you how to set up Shopify payments, configure shipping rates, and add tax information so your store is ready to sell. First, let's enable payments. Go to Settings in your Shopify dashboard, then click Payments. Under Shopify Payments, you will see a button that says Complete Account Setup. From here, just fill in your business details, including your bank account for payouts. Shopify payments will be ready and you can start accepting payments right away. Now let's set up your shipping. Select shipping and delivery. Under general shipping rates, click manage rates. Here you will create shipping zones for the regions you want to serve, like domestic or international. For each zone, you can set different rates. Free shipping perfect for promotions. Flat rate example 5 rupees per order. Calculated rate use carrier rates to provide real-time pricing. And one more thing, Shopify offers discounted shipping labels on paid plans, which can save you money as you scale. And finally, let's handle taxes. Go to Settings, then Taxes and Duties. Shopify automatically calculates taxes based on your location, but you can adjust rates if needed. Make sure to enable collect taxes if you are selling physical products. Double check everything to ensure the correct taxes will be applied at checkout. And that's it, your store is now tax ready. And there you have it. You have set up Shopify payments, shipping rates, and taxes. Your store is now fully equipped to process orders smoothly. In the next video, I will guide you how to set up essential pages like an About Us page and link them to your menus for smooth navigation.